Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, so they're saying that the hurricane is hurricane category 1. They think it's gonna get to category 2, and how you call it is down the south, which after it goes through it's going now north and a little bit how you call it south and a little bit north. So it's starting to push up. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but like I told my mom, prepare yourself. She never been through the hurricane here in Puerto Rico that I know of, and I just started when I first moved to Puerto Rico. That was doing Ugo time, the year before Ugo, and I had my daughter 3 months. I was going haywires. I didn't know what to do. I was scared that the window might break and hit her over the head or something. So I put it between I call this closet that was there, and there was a wall. There was the kitchen wall and the bathroom. I tied it up so it couldn't open, and I put it in that corner. That was the only place I think she was safe. Plus I'm in the front of it, so anything that would fly toward that way, towards straight her, it would have hit me first. So that's how I was doing that. Now I'm a little more tranquil with that, because now I know the windows does not break off, and it doesn't crack all over the place. The window, if you put them right, it should not break off, and I went to category 5. I didn't put nothing on my windows. They stood just like that. The wind hit. And even the branch of the tree hit the window. And that's how we found out that the tree fell, because it hit the window. But a lot of people is freaking out because they still they have plastics on top of their houses, in the island side. What we call the island side is anything that is not metropolitan. That's what they call the island side. So a lot of people are really, really getting nervous about this. And here in San Juan, we don't have too much problems because the majority, we have cement house. And I got happy because they told me that my construction of the house is pretty good. Because if it wasn't for the good rods that it had and all that stuff, when the tree hit the wing of the house, it would have torn right through through the bathroom, but it didn't damage my bathroom at all. So that gives me a little insurance that even if it's 1 or 2, I don't have to worry too much about it. So if you see that, I'm gonna try and put some sort of video every day, and give you a sign, I'm still alive, or I don't know, but I want to do a video every day, because I know that if the light goes off, I'm gonna be with 2 and 3 months no light, and I know that not everybody's gonna get bored of watching the same old thing. They're gonna leave, and that's what I don't want. I want you to stay with me, and I don't know. I just wanted you to stay with me. I have plans. I'm trying to, after the hurricane season passes, while that happens, I'm going to see if I could learn the Apple computer. I already know how to turn it on. I already put the passwords and certain things. It's already on Google. I think I got it also in my YouTube channel. So I'm putting in everything that I have in my other one. And all I gotta learn is how to do videos. That's what I want to do, videos. But I'm gonna try and finish that by the time the hurricane is over. Everything is more tranquil. You don't have to run here and run there like I'm doing now. I'm waiting for them to bring me the filter so I could wash all those milk cartons that I have and clean them out good and start taking water. Yes, lots and lots of water. The filter here still has a little bit. I'm going to use that in the meantime. And I call it. Some of them I'm going to put a little bit of Clorox, to clean more the water, because it's going to stay there for a while. I don't want the heat of the house, start getting bacteria. So that's going to prevent it from getting bacteria. So people, Just letting you know, I'm alive. If you see when when the light comes back and you don't hear me, I'm alive, you could say, well, rest in peace, dear. That's a joke. But you never know. Things could happen. So God bless you all. And it was just a little chat to let you know what's going on. Until next time. God bless you all. Bye-bye.